Um, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a video. It's a beautiful day outside. And we are still working on the turbo. I kind of got to the bolt that I couldn't get to the other day. So where we left off, we just so the bolt that I couldn't get to the other night that I showed you guys was the bolt all the way back here. And this is a setup that I kind of use. This is a small torque wrench, but I kind of use it to it's a snap-on torque wrench, but I kind of use it to loosen the bolt because I don't have a smaller torque wrench. I mean a smaller breaker bar to stick down there. And this is a socket that I use with a little swivel. And this is the extension that I use. So I pretty much got it loose right now, so I just gotta pretty much finish taking the bolt off. Underneath the car, we're gonna need to undo the connector right here. So let's loosen this. Okay, that's loose. We're gonna have to, oh, it's leaking. That's not good. That means the diaphragm is probably shot. Taking off the bottom portion. To loosen the oil feed line going towards the block, that's gonna be a T50. This one is a M12. It's the 12-point socket M12. And the top one is also a T50. Everything down here is pretty simple. And then what you want to do while you're down here is get this little connector loose. So I'm going to use the pick, hook it right here, right here. I'm gonna push up while I'm at it and just get it loose. I don't want to. All right, so push up, and I think I got it. So there you go. It's so right now I'm just loosening the manifold bolts. Oh God. Damn, look, this one came out with the stud, so that's not good. Let's see the other ones. What else is connected over here? I don't see anything else connected. Now I'm just trying to take this out. Look, boys, we got it. Yes, we finally got it, boys. The turbocharger is currently off. Yep, and I found sockets I've been looking for. So that's a plus. The turbocharger is finally off. I'm excited about that. Finally off. So now I guess I just have to switch a few stuff over to the new turbo. And look, soon as we working on the car, we got a delivery from ECS Tuning. Yep, it's a bunch of gasket and turbo stuff. I'm gonna clean that up when I get back. And here's the turbocharger, the brand new one. Forgot to show you guys this. Here it is, the PCV. No, this is a crank breather hose going down to the oil assembly to the PCV on top. And this is the new turbocharger. It's brand new, and we have spark plugs. We have a lot of stuff going on. Also, guys, I used some anti-seize, and I put them on the turbo bolt just to make life a little bit easier in the future when if somebody want to remove the turbo or downpipe or something like that. It would make the life a lot easier. So now I have the manifold gasket, and now I'm gonna go drop the turbo in the car. But pretty simple. So I have it on right there. So now I'm gonna go grab the turbo from up there and lower it back in the car. Rest you guys back right here.